Good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel, G RAThbun. Hey, you're getting ready to start an adventure with me to Sturgis, South Dakota, 2023. Oh, what a time we had. I have many a video coming up your way, and I hope you enjoy them all. It's not all about just partying and girls. Sometimes there's other things to do too. But enjoy what you're about to see. Thanks for following. Grab that cup of coffee and give me 10 minutes of your time. Alright guys, hey, we're going to start this video out where we ended the last one. Last one we were up here at Needles. We stopped there, then we went under this little tunnel, I guess it was. And then we came down through here and we're coming all the way down here. Now this one is going to be about 12 minutes long or longer. We're going to go all the way down here on the wildlife loop on 87. And then we're going to take this one here. We're going to stop about in here somewhere. That's where you see the donkeys. That's where this one will end. We're going to give you all of this road right through here with some nice sound. Then we're going to stop and see the donkeys on the next video. Then we're going to go up here, and then we're going to get into this pigtail up here. This is beautiful. Well, it's all beautiful. I didn't film any of this road right here because I filmed it many times, and it's just a prairie, like grasslands. You've seen that in the other video. So I didn't film this part, but we're going to stop right here, right before we see the donkeys. So that's what's in this one. Well, here's something I have failed to mention at the beginning of all these videos on this little jaunt through the wilderness here. Hey, you want to go the direction we're going because you come through these tunnels this direction and you can look right across there and you can see Mount Rushmore. Now, I went too fast for you to see it, but make sure you go in this direction, which is counterclockwise. Isn't it? Yeah, that'd be counterclockwise. Anyway, that's the way you want to do this loop, because every tunnel you come through, a lot of them anyway, you can see Mount Rushmore at the end of the tunnel and across the way. So do make sure you go that way when you do this this loop. And now then, let's throw some music on here and boogie woogie woogie down the road. Oh, what's he pointing at? I don't know. I hope you can see why we do this ride every year. I mean, it's beautiful through there. The pictures don't do it justice. I mean, if you go to Sturgis, do these rides. You don't need to do them all in one day. We did way too much this day. I think it was almost 190 miles we did, and we started late. But these are beautiful, beautiful roads. Please go travel them. Hope you're watching this one in 4K, because that's what I'm going to put it on the old internet in, and I think that's what we filmed it in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go to the next video. We got a lot more to come. Hey, I want you to subscribe to all these guys listed above here. Each one of us, we're on the same trip, but we've seen a lot of different things because we're all different people. Some went downtown, some went to races, some went out to Alzada, and you're only going to see those Alzada videos on Cool website. So check out all the sites on there and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.